3 different subjects with the sum total of more than 90 chapters. Will I be able to do it? Yes, of course. If I have done that, you can do it too. Hello people, this is Sakshi and welcome to the channel PNS Teacher. For those who are new here, I am a first year BSc Nursing student at GMC Bhopal. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how you can ace your exam or how you can start your preparation for the PNST, PVFT, PAT or whether it is DAHET or many more exams like this. ये वीडियो हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए है जो अपने एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहता है. अच्छा, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो, डिड यू वॉच द कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ PNST वीडियो इन माई प्रीवियस सेक्शंस? You have not watched this video and did not know anything about nursing or what is the PNST or pre-nursing selection test exam, you can watch this video. The link is in the description box below. So let's get started. Before starting your preparations, you have to make some promises to yourself. कुछ promises कि अगर आप ये एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप इसमें अपना बेस्ट देंगे और इस एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर करके ही मानेंगे. Usually, many students start their preparation with a very great timetable, with a very strict routine, but after some times their performance starts to degrade gradually and they quit in between. पर आप लोगों को आपकी प्रिपरेशन को बीच में क्विट नहीं करना है. You have to make sure that you will study till the last and clear this examination. Consistency is a key to anything, and if I say this, I really mean it. किसी भी चीज़ को बार बार और फिर से कोशिश करते रहने में वो चीज़ बहुत ही बेहतर और बेस्ट हो जाती है. So let's move to the first section. Point number 1. Know the syllabus, exam pattern or the marks division of the exam that you are going to give. So for this, you can watch this video that I have linked in the description box. By doing this, you will get to know कि लगभग मुझे कितना टाइम लगेगा, what is the syllabus, or what should be my strategy to plan this exam or to plan the strategy or timetable for clearing this exam. Moving to the point number 2. Mark your weaker points. अपनी कमजोरी, अपनी वीकनेसेस को जानिए. इससे आपको आइडिया मिलेगा कि what are the topics that you don't even know or what are the topics that you have to concentrate more. Take 3 papers for 3 different subjects. Name them like bio, chemistry and physics and then divide this paper into 2 different halves. एक साइड आप अपनी वीकनेसेस और एक साइड आप आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग चैप्टर्स के नेम लिखेंगे. After that, you will get the idea of what are the chapters that you have to give your more concentration or what are the chapters that you find difficult to study and also your strongest point and the chapters that you know already. Moving to the point number 3 is weekly schedule कीजिए, routine follow कीजिए, but don't make it so strict that आपको ये बीच में ही छोड़ना पड़े. So start your timetable with the basics. Means starting में the timetable should be a little less strict ताकि आप उसको फॉलो कर पाएं and then gradually increase the difficulty level. Now let's move to the 4th section. Way to start. Either you can start your preparation from the starting of these chapters, means हर बुक में जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है आप उससे स्टार्ट करें. As the chapters are relevant to the previous ones, you can start from the beginning of these chapters and start with the chapter number 1. Or what you can do is just arrange all the chapters according to the difficulty. You have 3 different pages of physics, chemistry and biology, but don't start with the easiest topic of your favorite subject. If you are doing this, start with your favorite subject but with the most difficult chapter. इससे आपको स्टार्टिंग में इनिशिएशन तो मिल ही जाएगा because that is your favorite subject. Remember कि आपको हर दिन किसी 2 सब्जेक्ट्स को टाइम देना है और what you can do it, just give 2 hours for each subject daily. The 5th or the last point is retaining in your brain. Note one thing, do not learn a new thing or a new chapter every week. Give at least 1 or 2 days for revising things. होता ये है कि जनरली हम लोग आगे प्रिपेयर करते जाते हैं without any revision in an appropriate manner, और होता ये है कि you have to again give 2 or 3 hours for that single chapter that you have already read. The benefits of doing continuous revision are the chapters that is taking 2 or 3 hours for a single revision and for understanding it betterly will take only 15 to 20 minutes for memorizing and revising it completely, which means that you will have sufficient time for revising it more and more. After the 2 or 3 revisions, these chapters or these important facts and points will get encoded in your brain and you will remember it for a long time. Do like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is Sakshi and I will catch you in my next